To view the list of apps that can access your contacts on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Scroll down the screen to the bottom. Under privacy section, tap permission manager. Tap contacts. Here, under allowed section, you can see the list of apps that can access your contacts. If needed, you can tap one of the apps and then change the permission setting, like revoke the permission so that the app can no longer access your contact anymore. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.